butterflies. This like really nice. This is a great idea for whoever no white top, super shiny. Clients get like cover this blue colors, and then she want one accent nails with marbles, soft marble, and this. I know it's so hard to see it. I think it shadows so much with this lighting. Excuse me. It looks so dark though. Next one. Beautiful. And then next one. Hey, thank you, Sarah. This one looks great. I'm gonna turn it around. Usually I do that to the clients all the time, and I turn it around because they got to enjoying it when they turn the hand like this. Also, they get to enjoying it to do it like that. So, give that one. And our last one. Probably crystal clear. Okay, give that one as well. This one done already. I can put some flowers on this. Need to get my monomer. This one, that. My monomers right here. Use that. And then I'm using the blue right on my sides. And I'm using another colors, which is Americans. Or if you have soft white, you can use that soft white as well. Either ones, like if you have soft white or. So I am going to use my, it's saying it's my 3D Dual 3D brush. I love this one. It's create a lot of fun 3D for me, both for 4D gels and acrylic. So today we're doing acrylic, and just it's showing like this so you can see it right there. It's off wood though. Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to see. Usually I don't lay it like this. When I with the clients, I have like order the monomer first, my whites, and my yeah, I'm gonna move it like this because that's how I go by order. 1, 2, 3. Right there. But it's move far away. Okay, so I'm gonna dip it in. Pick up the beads. Still wet right now. This light is really freaking dark. Better. It's so dark you can't view it from. It's runny, so I don't have to worry about. I'm gonna using the tips of the brush. You can turn the clients like holding the client's fingers like that. I'm using the tips of the brush and the body of it. It's really great if you can move it like a half moon. If not, it's totally fine. You can using your brush and your body of the brush and the tips. Okay. Too wet. Lay the beads. It's wet, so it's just ignore it, or you can just dab it in the papers. Totally fine either way. I'm not messing with this because it's still wet, and when it starts setting, you seeing it's really like shiny to get and start matte look. It means that it's setting a little bit better. Then now you can touch. I love this 3D brush because really easy to do, to use. And perfect size. You can do a bigger flowers, you can do smaller flower, and it's really perfect for easy for beginners as well. Just using the tips of the brush and the body. The tip of brush to like a draw the way you want it. And you can do 3 petals on the first layer, or you can do 4 petals, however you want to. So you can do, you know, like I want some Bahamas crystal. The Bahamas blue crystal. Second one. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to the second layer. I might going back live. Well, I think I will. Later today, after Sarah and Brad going live, like Sarah going live about 5:30 of Eastern times, and Brad might be going 7 o'clock. And I will be back like maybe right after Brad's done. So on this route, I'm doing it like just 2 and smaller side of the beads. Hey, loving now, Scene Flower, thank you, love. Pick up another smaller side. Just smaller. You can leave it alone like that, and or like a little beads like that, but usually I'm using a tip of the brush when it starts getting a little bit matte setting. Just give it a little bit sore. So just give it to center is really nice. I can't see Facebook now. Question on Facebook, let me know. This light.
On. More light.
Oh. See it dark? You guys can see it?
Yes. Fine.
There you go. Same techniques. I'm gonna do it in like a couple of petals on the side. Great. Let's move on to the next one. I like that, it's soft.